Let's keep things simple. First of all, 30-minute time frame. I only trade the 30-minute time frame. I don't worry about pip sizes, etc. And I'll explain why in a moment. So first of all, go to your indicators, type in EMA, and where you see the moving average, you will basically click that and you will change the settings to 14. You will change it to EMA, and the first one will be red. Okay, and you see that there. The next indicator you will add is another EMA, so just type in EMA, moving average exponential. You will then go in the settings and you will make that number 20. Make sure it's on EMA, change the style to white. Okay, and when you have added both EMAs, they look like this. Next, you want to add one called order blocks with signals from Sonar Lab. Okay, and simply put that on your charts. And the order blocks are confirming, because they're blue, it's a big push down. As you can see, we are currently in a downtrend. Yeah? So you can see here that the candles are heading downwards, the order blocks are saying down. Where I come in is when I see a block like that. Do you see that block? So it's like an engulfing candle. Alright? Little engulfing candle, green, red. Then I make my entry. I'll put my stop loss there, just above the green wick. And a lot of people say, well, when do you come out? Well, I come out when I take usually between 2 and 4% out of the market. A lot of people talk about riding in and staying in. Not for me. Take your money, get out. Alright? Simple as that. There are 3 rules with this strategy. Okay, and I'll tell you what they are now. Rule number 1, make sure we're in a trend. So as you can see, we have a clear downtrend here. Okay? Rule number 2, wait for the candles to go back to the EMAs. Back into the EMAs. Not down here, not up here, in here. A lot of people would be worried, should we go in this green candle? You don't wait for that green candle. What you do is you wait for the red candle. You see that red one? The block engulfing, and you rejoin the trend. 2% for me is about here. So I would come out. A lot of people would say, yeah, but you're leaving money on the table. Well, I'm not worrying about leaving money on the table. I'm more concerned about taking money out of the market than worrying if it's going to jump back against me. So I come in, couple of candles, I come out. And you can see the process again here. It's called another block or engulfing. One candle in, easily 2-3% there, and I'm back out. Okay? So rule 1, make sure it's in a trend. Rule 2, make sure that the candles go back into the EMAs. And rule 3, wait for a block and then enter. This I would ignore. Okay? And when you see the EMAs through the candles, you stay away. Do not enter into this market. You stay away. Okay? Let's look at another pair. The candles are below the EMAs. We wait for the candle to come back to the EMA. We see a block there. See it? We head down and we take our 2%. So to confirm an EMA, what you're doing is the candles are below the EMA, order blocks are confirming down, wait for a block. Simple as that, or an engulfing. Now we're on the AUD-NZD. As you can see, we have an uptrend here. The candles are above. You see how they're through? We ignore this. We wait for the candles to rise above and then it comes back. We don't take a trade here. We wait until it comes back to the EMAs. Okay? There is your block. There's your money. Uptrend. Pull back to the EMAs. Red candle comes into the EMAs. Green block appears. You're off up. You take your 2% and you're out the trade. This repeats over and over and over. We have a little uptrend. And right there, we have a block. Red comes into the EMA, green then appears, you take your money. As I say, I'm only looking for 2-3% of the market at a time. I'm not looking to be in there all day. I'm not looking to be in there for hours. I'm a great believer in compounding, because compounding to me is key. Some people say to me, well, how much money do I need to start? And I say, you don't need anything to start. What you need to do is get your wits about you and follow the strategy and learn a strategy. And believe me, this is by far the most easiest strategy that I've ever come across. It really, really is. It's the easiest strategy that I've ever come across. It's easy to learn. As I said, if the lines are through the candles, then forget that pair. Wait until they're above. Yes, a lot of people would have came in here. You see that little green candle there? Right there. Because the candles are above, but a lot of people would be unsure. If you're unsure, that's okay. Wait until the next block appears. I also trade pin bars as well, and you can head over to my Facebook page, which is FX Pin Traders. There's the logo, you will see that there. And other than that, thank you very much.